Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna do my analysis. It's fundamental analysis. So let's start. US observed retail jobs up sharply in June at a record rate in 20 years. If demand for labor kicks in, that means retail sales stop growing. There is a trap from the realm of logic here. We see an unusual growth of retail sales in the US by 8%, but there is a nominal data expressed in money at the same time. Annual inflation is above 8%. That is, in significant quantities in pieces and retail sales. As the trends we have not been explained for more than a year. Take a look at the problem graph in that industry. We can confidently say that we assume a recession and there is a decline and a decrease. Okay, next slide. Electricity prices in Europe for next year's delivery continue to write all-time heights. Moreover, electricity in France is much more expensive than in Germany. And the last one. The Bank of England released its macroeconomic estimates according to which inflation will grow to 13% by the end of the year, after which it will begin to decline with a transition to deflation. As a result, rates were raised from 0.5% to 1.75%. There is the highest rate since the 2008 crisis. In general, the report of the Bank of England on the prospects for the economy in the country is quite pessimistic. Inflation slowed down in economic growth, lower incomes. The pound did not like all this, but at the same moment the decline has stopped. In my opinion, the Bank of England is giving the most objective estimates, while the Fed and European Central Bank are trying to convince the market of the opposite. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Have a good trades. Bye.